Hey everyone, this is Tim Schroyer, and today I'm going to be going over the dividend stocks that have an ex-dividend date for April 5th. There are going to be 13 stocks I'm going to be going over with. Again, my disclaimer, I am not your financial, legal, or tax advisor, so this is for information and entertainment purposes only. Due to a comment, I'm going to be showing the actual stock pages and going over a little bit more in-depth detail. I'm not going to show my camera for this time as an experiment. If you want to see me as well as the stock page, let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to do that. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and start with the first company. So the first company is going to be Agilent Technologies, ticker symbol A, is currently trading for $127.14. And it is currently for the year up 71.79%. It has a earnings per share of 3.9, a price to earnings ratio at 32.04. It has a short interest rate of 0.96%, which is pretty good, and a market cap of 38.04 billion with a volume of 1,815,532 trades. For the dividend, it is at 0.62% dividend yield with an annual payout of 78 cents per share. They have a 5-year growth rate of 11.71% and have grown their dividend over the last 9 years. The dividend payout per share per quarter is 19 cents. Bank of South Carolina Corporation, ticker symbol BKSC. It is currently trading for $22.60. For the year, it is up 60%. It has a price to earnings ratio of 19.65, a short interest of 0.09%, a market cap of 123.66 million, and a volume of 10,659. For the dividends, it has a dividend yield of 3.04%, an annual payout of 68 cents per share per year. They have a 5-year growth rate of 8.18%, and they've grown their dividend over the last 2 years. Their dividend payout per share per quarter is going to be 17 cents. The Cerner Corporation, ticker symbol CERN, is trading for $71.88. It has a earnings per share of 3.15, a price to earning ratio of 22.72. For the year, it is up 11.52% and has a short interest of 4.17%, a market cap of 21.94 billion, and a volume of 2,118,722, with their dividend being 1.23% yield, an annual payout of 88 cents per share per year. They have a 22-cent per quarter payout, and they have grown their dividend just over the last year. Cisco Systems, ticker symbol CSCO, is currently trading for $51.71. They are up 28.40% for the year. They have a earnings per share of 3.23, a price to earnings ratio of 16.05, a short interest of 1.22%, a market cap of 218.56 billion, and a volume of 22,212,375, with their dividends yield being 2.86%, with an annual payout of $1.48 per share. They have a 5-year growth rate of 10.25%, and they have grown their dividend over the last 9 years. And the announced dividend is for 37 cents per share for this quarter. Cousins Property Incorporated, ticker symbol CUZ, is currently trading for $35.35. Over the last year, they have grown 25.25%. They have a short interest of 2.18%, market cap of 5.46 billion, volume of 1,386,718. Their dividend is at 3.43% with an annual payout of $1.24 per share per year. They have a 5-year growth rate of 6.02%, and they have grown their dividend over the last 8 years. Their dividend payout is going to be 31 cents per share for this quarter. Dollar General Corporation is currently trading for $202.62 per share. It has a earnings per share of 9.51 and a price to earning ratio of 21.21. It has a short interest of 1.52%, market cap of 48.27 billion, a volume of 2,195,610. They are up for the year 37.46%. They have a dividend yield of 0.83% with an annual payout of $1.68 per share per year. They have a 5-year growth rate of 10.51%, and they have grown their dividend over the last 5 years, and they pay out 42 cents per share per quarter. Erie Indemnity Company, ticker symbol ERIE, is currently trading for $220.91, and it is up for the year 27.69%. As earnings per share of 5.87, a price to earnings ratio of 37.93, has a short interest at 3.95%, a market cap of 10.28 billion, and a volume of 132,265, with a dividend yield of 1.86%, with an annual payout of $4.14 per share. They have a 5-year growth rate of 7.23%, and they have a dividend growth of 31 years, making them a Dividend Aristocrat. And they pay out $1.03 per share per quarter. The First Bancorp, ticker symbol FNLC, is currently trading for $29.19. They are up 42% over the last year. They have the price to earning ratio of 11.85 and a short interest of 1.19%, a market cap of 322.72 million with a volume of 22,989. Their dividend yield is 4.22% with an annual payout of $1.24 per share. They have grown their dividend over the last 2 years, and they have a 5-year growth rate of 7.10%. And right now they are going to be paying 31 cents per share per quarter. John Wiley and Sons Incorporated, ticker symbol JW.A or JW/A, is currently trading for $54.20. They are up for the year 47.82%. They have an earnings per share of 2.7, a price to earnings ratio of 20.39. A short interest of 4.26% with a market cap of 3.07 billion. Their volume is 323,340, and they have a dividend yield of 2.49% with an annual payout of $1.37. They have a 5-year growth rate of 2.69%, and they have grown their dividend over the last 22 years straight. So another 3 years, and they will become dividend aristocrats themselves. And they pay out 34 cents per share per quarter. Next is JPMorgan Chase, ticker symbol JPM. They are currently trading for $152.23. They are up for the year 65.22%. They have an earnings per share of 10.63, a price to earnings ratio of 14.54. They have a short interest of 0.7%. A market cap of 471.4 billion, and a volume of 16,736,681. Their dividend yield is 2.33% with an annual payout of $3.60 per share. They have grown their dividend over the last 8 years, and they have a 5-year growth rate of 15.39%. They pay out 90 cents per share per quarter. Quanta Services Incorporated, ticker symbol PWR, is currently trading for $87.98. They are up 187.02% for the year. They have earnings per share of 4.28, a price to earnings ratio of 20.44, a short interest of 1.62%, a market cap of 12.12 billion, and a volume of 1,412,095, with a dividend yield of 0.27%, with an annual payout of 24 cents per year. They have grown their dividend over the last 2 years, and they pay out 6 cents per share quarterly. Rent-A-Center, ticker symbol RCII, is currently trading for $57.66. They are up 300.21% for the year. They have an earnings per share of 5.29, a price to earnings ratio of 10.98, short interest at 3.45%, a market cap of 3.16 billion, and a volume of 464,230. Their dividend yield is at 2.13%, with an annual payout of $1.24 per share per year. They have a 5-year growth rate of 13.25%, and they have grown their dividend over the last 1 year. They pay out 31 cents per share per quarter. And lastly, it's going to be United Security Bank shares, ticker symbol UBFO, currently trading for $8.19. They are up 31.53% for the year. They have a price to earnings ratio of 15.65, a short interest of 1.2%, a market cap of 140.5 million, and a volume of 35,995, with a dividend yield of 5.33%, bringing it to 44 cents annual payout per share, and they pay out 11 cents per share quarterly. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful and informative, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below. It does greatly help out my channel grow. I hope you have a great day and good luck trading.